Hello students, I am Madhuri from Yash classes. Today we are going to see exercise 1.1 of the chapter real numbers of class 10th. In my previous video, we have completed the introduction to exercise 1.1 यानी उस वीडियो में हमने यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम से HCF फाइंड आउट करने के पूरे स्टेप्स डिटेल्ड में पढ़े हैं. तो अभी वही यूज़ करके हम ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड द HCF ऑफ 135 एंड 225. तो हमें ये दो नंबर्स में कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है वो फर्स्ट हमें देखना पड़ता है. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि 225 इज ग्रेटर देन 135. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट ग्रेटर नंबर दैट इज 225 बाय द सेकेंड नंबर. 225 को हम 135 से डिवाइड करने वाले हैं. तो 135 1 जा 135 और अगर हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन किया तो 5 से 0 एंड यहाँ पे 9 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप में हमें अब एल्गोरिदम लिखना है और वी नो हाउ टू राइट दैट एल्गोरिदम यूजिंग यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन theorem, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. और यहाँ पे हमने जो डिवीजन किया है उसमें 225 को हम डिविडेंड कहते हैं, ये डिविडेंड है, एंड 135 इज अ डिविजर और 90 इज अ रिमाइंडर and 1 is a quotient. तो ये हम अब एल्गोरिदम में लिखेंगे. तो डिविडेंड मीन्स 225 डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिविजर इनटू क्वोशंट plus remainder, and from this step we have to find whether the remainder is 0 or not. And we can see that remainder is not equal to 0, and if the remainder is not equal to 0 we have to move to step 2. यहाँ पे हमारी step 1 finish हो गई. Now we are going to move to step 2, and in step 2 we are going to take two numbers from the first step, that is we have to take that divisor and remainder of the first step. And in second step we have to divide that divisor, that is 135, by the remainder, that is 90. In the second step we have to divide the divisor of first step by the remainder from the first step. So now we are going to divide that 135 by 90, and 90 ones are 90. If we subtract 90 from 135, the remainder is 45. So again in this step we have to write the algorithm, and the algorithm is, what is that algorithm? That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We will put all the values like this. Dividend is 135, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and now we can see here that remainder is not equal to 0, and if remainder is not equal to 0 we have to move to the next step, that is step 3rd. Now see here, again in the third step what we have to do, we have to take the divisor and remainder from second step, and we have to divide that 90 by that 45. So we will divide that 90 by 45. I will rub this and we will do that step here only. See here, I will divide that 90 by that 45. Okay, so 45 2s are 90, and here the remainder is 0. and again we will write the algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and in this step we got the remainder as a 0, and if we got remainder as a 0, we know the divisor of that step will be the HCF of those two numbers, and therefore we got 45 as the HCF of the two numbers, that is 135 and 225. Okay, now we will see the next question.